Maybe you're not ready yet to accept that trading and being profitable can be much simpler than you think. But for those who are ready, I'll show a very logical, intuitive strategy that's actually enjoyable to trade. The key idea is simple. Your trades move to break even almost instantly. You're always risking just one position at a time, but you stack multiple positions into a single move. I open a 3-second chart and add a MA 500. My decisions are based on its direction and where price is relative to it. In this example, the MA is flat. Price isn't making new highs. Then eventually price breaks below the MA. Now we see the MA 500 sloping down and price is trading below it. That's our shift in structure. We assume a trend change and start trading. The signal is a price crossing the MA 500. For confirmation, you can use something like RSI 13. If you look at the 1-minute chart, it's unclear, continuation or pullback. But on the 3-second chart, the reversal is obvious, so we start selling on almost every retest or cross of the MA. First short triggers. Within a couple of minutes, price is already below entry. We can tighten the stop above recent highs. Risk is minimized and we're targeting a break of the lows. Once lows are taken, we move to break even. Now that the trade is risk-free, we can open the next one. Next cross, second position triggers. Can be automated. EA opens trades on MA crosses. Stop goes 20 points above the MA. Price doesn't break lows immediately, so no rush to BE, but we can still tighten risk above structure. MA is still pointing down. No reason to worry. Eventually, lows break. Second trade goes to BE. Now we stack the third trade on the next cross. Within 5 minutes, lows break again, BE. Notice how even small stops rarely get hit because trades are protected so quickly. Now we've got 3 positions risk-free, waiting for the next setup. Fourth entry triggers. Price consolidates a bit, but that's fine. It respects the MA corridor. Our trades are safe, already at BE, and structure supports them. After 15 minutes, price breaks down aggressively. The goal is to load positions early at wholesale prices. Once price has already moved significantly, entries become retail, less favorable. That's not where we want to add. Now we just manage and let it run. For exits, I switch to a slightly higher TF, like a 10-second chart, and watch the same MA 500. Throughout the move, price stayed below it and MA was sloping down. The exit comes when price reclaims the MA and it starts turning up. A retest from above is a good signal to close, high probability of a reversal. At that point, you could even flip long, but usually the move you've captured is already more than enough. In this example, about 500 points across 4 positions. With a 0.01 lot, that's around $200 profit, risking just $2 per trade. And since each trade goes BE before the next one opens, total exposure never exceeds that initial risk. So yes, in a few hours you can double a $200 account. Sounds unrealistic, but this is how it plays out in practice. Of course, you need screen time to get comfortable. There are nuances. But this level of precision is only possible with second-based charts. There's a reason you don't see them in standard platforms like MT4 or MT5, and where they do exist, like J4X, spreads can be insane, up to 50 times higher on gold compared to my MT5 accounts. That's exactly why I built my own second-based charts. You can use any time frame, from 1 second to custom ones like 132s or 599s. Just set them in the inputs and they appear like regular charts. The product is available on MQL5 Market, fully integrated into MT5, installs directly into the terminal. Every product there goes through strict moderation, so no hidden functionality or security concerns. My tool is called Second Scope MT5. It works fully in sync with standard timeframes. Every tick is captured and instantly reflected in second candles. Functionality is identical to native charts. Indicators, templates, EAs, no limitations. Once you dive into the microstructure of second charts, you'll start seeing things very differently. It's like solving a puzzle, engaging and highly rewarding. Wishing you all solid profits.